What's going on everyone, Simon Says back with another video, and today I want to do something a little bit different for you, and we're going to unbox a watch winder. This is from a company called Wolf. I'll throw a link in the video description. At the time of recording, this is priced at £269 or around $370. So I don't want to assume everybody knows what a watch winder is. For people that are watching the channel, if you do, that's great. But essentially this is designed to keep your watch ticking and keep it moving. I have a nice tag that I don't always wear, and so I want to keep it moving when I'm not wearing it, so I don't have to keep winding it up. So I don't know how long this video is going to be, but we'll get into this now. So as you can see, very minimal presentation. Wolf, been going since 1834. This is, I don't know if you can see this, module 1.8. So this is a single watch winder. So let's open the box and get into this. Presentation looks really nice. So I'm guessing this is just some literature. First time I've opened this. And as you can see, you have a cable configuration, so you can connect multiple watch winders together if you wanted to. And I know Wolf do lots of different watch winders, whether it's just 1 or 6 or 10. I'll throw the link to their website in the video description so you can check it out. Painted It Technology. Looks like there is a brief history there, so if you want to read that, go ahead. Hopefully that's focusing for you. And then this is the guarantee. I will probably need to register this at some point. And then your warranty, 2-year limited warranty as well. Let's have a look and see what we've got in the box as well. So we've got a little side portion here. Let's move this to one side. So let's have a look, see what's in here. This looks like it's the universal adapter. And it sounds like there's going to be lots of different adapters depending on where you are in the world. I'm in the UK, so I'll be using the 3-pin plug. So as we can see, it's a proprietary connector. Would have been nice if it was USB, but looks like there's a cable to attach an additional watch winder. And as you can see, we've got the different connectors depending on where you are in the world. So we'll pop those to one side. I will be using the UK plug, so we will just get that attached. Let me know what you think of this video and whether you want to see more on watches. I do have a couple of watches. As much as I'm into tech, I'm also into my watches. And this is the watch winder. So, very nice presentation. We'll just get the boxes out of the way. So before I get into this, I will show you my watch. It's a TAG Formula 1. You could say it's probably a dress watch. I only wear it when I'm out and about, maybe going out with some friends or on a date with the wife. Special occasions really. As you know, I have an Apple Watch, and that is pretty much my daily watch. So let's get into this watch winder. I'm by no means an expert on watches or watch winders. There's probably a ton of videos out there that have better content, but I just wanted to bring you my thoughts and impressions on this. If any of you have used one of these, or there's another brand that you recommend, then please let me know. That's a really nice presentation. Nice little bag to keep it in. And then it's wrapped really, really nicely. And there we go, there's the watch winder. Oh, upside down. So there we go. So as you can see, that's your watch winder. You've got a nice clear front so you can see your watch when it's moving. Very, very nice. There's an on and off button just under here. This is the Cube in black single. That's your plug, so you can plug an additional one in. Lots of info on the back there, just the serial number, just saying it's patented. And then, as you can see there, you also need to put some batteries in, which I will need to get. So what do you think, guys? Very, very nice. I will need to get some batteries and set that up. But once I've got some, I will be back with you. So guys, I obviously had a bit of a moment there thinking I needed to get batteries when I don't, because obviously it can also connect via a power plug, so I do apologise for that. It is early morning over here, so let's plug that in. So with this watch winder also, it doesn't continuously turn your watch, it does it intermittently. So if we have a look at the instructions, because sometimes you do have to look at those. As you can see, you can set your watch to start in any position and it will turn home. And as you can see there, because I've got it powered on, it is already starting to turn. So we will just switch this off for now. The first time you turn your winder on, you'll notice that the drum rotated and then rests. The drum will always stop at this position during the end of the cycle. So I'll let you have a read of that. That means if you place your watch inside the drum so the position is 12 o'clock, the watch is at the top. So yeah, as you can see, and then it gives you an indication of how to put your watch on there. Please note that the LED will keep blinking during the rest and pause period. So let's put my watch in there and see how this goes. So we just take this out. So let's put my watch in here. There we go. And let's turn it on. So as you can see, the watch did start to turn. And as you can see there, it's turning again. And so that's the Wolf watch winder. Hope you enjoyed this video. And if you'd like to see more content, then be sure to subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.